Hey guys, I hope you should be doing good today and welcome to the today's video. So today we are going to talk about something on Dora, D-O-R-A. This is not a cartoon Dora. This is something a Dora on the DevOps space. So you should be knowing what is DevOps and what is SRE, but this is something an important practice. It has to be known by everyone as a DevOps engineer or SRE. So I have curated 10 points for this particular topic. So don't miss any single point. If you miss any single point, you will be losing some data. So better please do stick with this video and watch out this complete video without fail. So without wasting any time, just get into the video. Okay, so the first point which we are going to talk about, what is Dora? So okay, the expansion. Dora, it is known as DevOps Research and Assessment. A research program is started by a team of researchers from the Google. So Google only first identified and they have defined this particular program called Dora, D-O-R-A. Point number two, what exactly are we going to talk about? The point number two is this program aims to identify the practice and the capabilities that drives high performance in software development and IT operations. Point number three, which says like Dora has conducted several large scale studies of software development and IT operation, and it has identified a set of key performance indicator, basically we name as a KPI, that are strongly correlated with the high performance, it says. Okay, the point number four, what exactly this says about is these KPI include in deployment frequency, lead time of changes, mean time to recovery, basically MTTR, and the change rate failure. Okay, the point number five, what it says about is like based on these KPI, Dora has developed a set of best practices and capabilities that organization can adapt to improve their software development and the IT operations. Point number six, so these practice includes continuous delivery, version control, test automation, and the collaborative culture and lean management. Point number seven, what it says about is like it has shown that organizations that adapt these practice and build these capabilities are able to deliver software faster and more reliably with higher quality and better outcomes for customers. And point number eight, what it says is like Dora program has a strong focus on empirical research and it uses the rigorous statistical methods to analyze and interpret its data. Point number nine, what it says like so Dora research is open and transparent and it has published a large number of papers and reports that are freely available in the public internet. Okay, the last point, what which they are trying to talk about is its Dora has a large and growing community researchers and practitioners and organizations, and it has become a leading source of knowledge and expertise in the field of DevOps. Okay, guys, now it's time to talk about something on Dora matrices. There are four main important matrices that you should be known about it. So, the first one which we are going to talk about is lead time for changes. So, this matrix, what exactly says is like how often an organization deploy a code changes to the production, and high performing organization deploy code more frequently with many deployments several times per day. And the second one which they don't talk about is deployment frequency. So this metrics measures how long it takes for a code changes to go from development to the production. So high performing organization have some shorter lead time with many able to deploy changes within hours or minutes of code being committed. And the third one, which we're going to talk about, is mean time to recovery. This metrics is measures how long it can takes to recover from failure or incidents. And high performing organization have a shorter MTTR, and meaning they are able to recover from the incident more quickly and with less impact on the users and the customers. And the fourth one, which we're going to talk about, is change failure rate. So this metrics measures the percentage of the changes that results in degraded performance or require remediation. The high performing organization have lower change failure rates, indicating that they are able to make changes more safely with less risk to the systems and the users.